My name is Vishnu Gopal T V. I am a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. I am from Cooperative School of Law, Kerala. I am a third year student pursuing BBA LLB Honors. Today's topic for this video is digitalization of legal profession. The purpose of this video is to create awareness regarding the digitalization of legal profession. So, by the coming of this COVID-19 outbreak, the business taking place all around the world had to reimagine their mode of operation and their functioning through internet. Throughout the country, shifting of the judicial system into a digital way was echoed. It was really an horizon opportunity to think about the shifting of entire legal system completely into a digital way. So even though the courts are now back to physical hearings due to reduced number of COVID-19 patients, the virus outbreaks had brought a thought of shifting the entire judicial system into a complete digitalized way. It is true that such a shifting has advantages as well as disadvantages. So during this the time when COVID-19 reached its peak, the Supreme Court of India had issued guidelines for shifting the physical hearings to ensure social distancing. So COVID-19 had resulted in the death of many, not only in India and some few countries. It had really affected throughout the world. So it was during these times when the Supreme Court shifted the courts to video conferencing to ensure the social distancing. So while issuing these guidelines by the Supreme Court had used the term a temporary shifting to video conferencing. So here the Supreme Court, while issuing the guidelines, didn't mention a permanent shifting to video conferencing, but while issuing the guidelines, Supreme Court had used the term a temporary shifting to video conferencing. But the thing is that the continuous coming of these different waves of viruses points out that for the safety and good health of all, there is a need to shift the code to video conferencing permanently. It is one of the relevant questions that has to be asked or that has to be raised. So codes functioning through video conferencing have many advantages. So what are its advantages? So if it may be physical hearing, the witness may not reach the court on the specified date. So due to his or her various personal reasons, like he might not be there in that place during that time, if the court functions through video conferencing, the witness can appear from anywhere around the world. And the important advantage is that the codes can become paperless and it can be a cost effective method also. So the acceptance of digital tools in court procedure was first seen in the case State of Maharashtra versus Praful Desai, in which the court interpreted the meaning of the word presence in a wider sense and held that evidence by way of video conferencing is evidence in presence of the accused. So in Abdul Karim Telgi versus State in 2007 case, here also the Madras High Court held that video conferencing was allowed with the intention of reducing the travel woes of the accused and the manpower and monetary loss of the government. So now we all know that our courts have started physical hearing and slowly all our states are opening and the COVID-19 cases are decreasing. But the decrease in this COVID-19 cases may not last for long. Experts argues that COVID-19 will have many mutations and this virus will have many mutations and third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, etc. also may come. So therefore we must be prepared and must be well equipped to face such things. So as a result, making a strict action plan to shift the judicial system into completely in a digital way have to be also thought seriously. So that's all about my topic. So you can like, subscribe and comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our YouTube channel Let's Click. Please give me a feedback of this video, and if you have any questions related to this video, you may please mention that in the comment box. You can comment there, so I will be replying as soon as possible. This video does not solicit types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. By saying these words, I am concluding. Thank you.